Hey everyone, this is Coach Gina, and tonight's training is going to be on how to build a funnel. How to build a funnel. And it's a little late tonight, so I might sound kind of tired, but I'm going to log into my back office. And I use the Power Lead system. So the first thing we're going to do is going to go to websites, and then websites, I'm going to use the share codes to build my funnel. I'm going to use that because I like to use those. Can make a lot of changes to those. So we're going to go here. Once it opens, my computer slows down when I'm recording. So please be patient. Okay, and then we're going to click up here where it says click here. Well, first, first things first. Let me go back. I'm going to make a subdomain first. So I'm going to create a subdomain first. So let's go back. We're going to go to websites, and then we're going to go to manage subdomains because I'm going to make a brand new subdomain for this funnel. Okay, go down here. I'm going to scroll down here, and each area has a instructional video. It's really helpful when you don't know how to do, especially when we're beginners. Those videos are very helpful, so please use them, please watch them and take notes. So I'm going to, let's see, um, what can I name this one here? Let's see. I'm going to name it residual income. Well, let's do this. Massive residual income. Okay. Do one. Massive residual income, add one. Okay, and this is my domain for the Power Lead system. And I have another domain name, and that's for my blog, but this is for my Power Lead system right here. So I'm going to hit create. So I'm going to go straight to skip all this because I'm going to use the share code ones. So I'm going to go to websites and websites again. And then you have this. Click here for more choices. So we're going to click here and these and more videos. But if you scroll down, you have capture pages here that you can edit. And then you also have sales pages here that you can edit. So let's go back to the capture page. And the one that I want to use is, see, lead capture page number 11. No, number 10. Number 10. And I'll show you what these examples look like. Some of them, it's going to be a video at the beginning. Of course, I'm going to change everything here. Those are just samples, examples of what they look like. So here's the example number 2. This has like the transparent background, has the moving arrow here, animated arrow. So it's kind of fun, you know, just creating your own funnel. And this is a done for you system, and it has all your capture page pictures and everything. If you want to change your pictures by making your own pictures and using them, you can do that. Grabbing videos from YouTube, you can do that. There's a lot of things you can do with this system. So I'm going to grab this code. Grab this code, copy, and then I'm going to go to websites and my sharing codes. Websites and my sharing codes. And then I'm going to go to the bottom and it says get content under this code. So I'm going to paste my code here, my new code. make sure it's the lead capture page 10, and then I'm going to submit. So it says code added, and then you have all this here. You can ignore all that, but it shows you up here my new code. Next, I want to connect my subdomain with my share code. Okay, I need to go to websites, and I need to go to websites again, and I'm going to connect my share code with my new subdomain. And this is the new one that I just made, massive residual income dash add one. You can make as many subdomains as you want. It's unlimited with this system. The system is awesome. Unlimited subdomains. And then you're going to choose become a prospect for whatever I want. There's two choices, but I'm not doing this for getting the lead system free forever. I want to do the prospect for whatever I want. So then I'm going to scroll down, and you're going to see that my lead capture page 10A is here, and there are three choices. You can use this one for email only, use it for name and email for lead capture number, letter B, and the third one is name, email, and phone. So and I have all these other ones down here that I have used. So let's go. I'm going to use this one, but you want to copy it. So I'm going to go to websites, and I'm going to go to copy web pages. So it's websites, then under web pages, and then copy web pages. And then make sure it still says this. I want to attract someone to become a prospect for whatever I want. And then number 2, it says select the page you want to copy. Then scroll to the bottom and hit the make me a copy button. So we're going to scroll down. I'm going to use just the email only. You're going to hit copy this page, and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit make me a copy. So then you come to this area where it says edit web page. So you can leave this as it is, or you can change it. I'm going to leave where it says copy of library page, and I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to put, this is only for your eyes, the number 1 where it says title of this web page. The audience won't, or the people who are on your website won't see this part. It's just you. So this will help you remember what it is. Massive residual income. And then this part right here is what's going to show up here, or it's going to show on the tab area, the tab and then the address bar. So I'm going to type in basically the same thing, massive residual income, add 1. Okay. Step number 2, select a domain to use with this web page. So this domain is either do not assign one, or you can choose a domain you already have, or I want to use a new address with my existing domain. So what you're going to do, you're going to connect your subdomain that you just made, and that is right here. So that's what you're going to use. Choose a domain you already have. So I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to skip down to number 3. And if you want, going back to number 2, this one right here where it says I want to use a new address with my existing domain, this is where you can, if you didn't create a subdomain before, like I did, you can automatically create one right here. If you didn't create one in the beginning like I did, you can create one right here. So step number 3, if this web page is using a survey, which is an opt-in form, when using the domain above, choose and I'm going to keep it here, add opt-in, the Power Lead System Contact Manager. So I'm not going to add, or I could add a power, I think I'm going to change my mind. I'm going to add a Power Lead System autoresponder. So that way that it can get some emails. I'm going to choose, let's do the Power Lead System Opportunity Campaign. So I'm going to choose that. And then this here says add opt-in. This is if you have Aweber or GetResponse, if you want to do that. Scroll down to number 4. If this web page is using a survey opt-in form, when using the domain above, choose which page is shown after the survey is taken. So when they go to this survey, when they opt in, put their email in and hit take me there or whatever, what's going to show up after that? This is what this is right here. So what's going to show up after that? The default, you can choose the default sales page, which is whatever your default sales page is, or you can do a page in your website, which is all this. But what I am doing, I'm going to choose, let's see, I already wrote it down, the report funnel biz. That's what I'm going to choose. The report funnel biz is what I want them to look at. So you can view page, and this is what they will see when it opens. They will see this.
As a member of the Power Lead system, you'll have a huge
They'll have free presentation. Discover the easiest way on the planet to build a huge monthly income with no previous experience or paid advertising. Okay. Or you can choose another website, which could be something else that you have, another website you've created, and that's here in the Power Lead system, because it does say another website, so it can be an outside website. So then we can go down here. You can skip this or not. I'm gonna put massive and then these are keywords. You can let's see. Okay. Save changes. Oh, wait a minute. Let me go back. So you can always go back. You're navigating up here. So I forgot to click back on this. Put this back where it was. It was the report funnel. And these are in alphabetical order. See, report funnel biz. That's what I want. Hit save changes to website or web page. Then you can either keep this background or change using one of these. So I'm going to keep it to this background just to see what it looks like after I get finished. Next, edit text. Edit text, you can edit text, and then there's a video here where you can change your video. So this is what the background is going to look like. Down here is what's going to be above the video. You can change this if you want. You can keep it. You can put something different, or you can change the color if you want. For instance, if you want to change this yellow, you can do different things. You can keep this here. or you can make it say something different. Free presentation. 7-figure earner stumbles upon amazing money getting secret. Next page reveals. I'm going to keep it, but I'm going to change the video. So what you do is click on where it says iframe, double click, and this is the frame, the information of the video. You don't want to change this whole thing or it won't play. What you're going to do, you're going to look for, let's see, where it says, you're going to look for something that says embed, and it's right here. And after that, you have a forward slash and you have these 11 numbers or digits or whatever could be here. And it's right before the question mark. This is what you're going to change. And I'll show you how to do that. You're going to go to YouTube. And what I did, I created a video for this funnel. So I'm going to use this video right here that I created myself, and I'm going to embed it in this funnel. So what you do, this is my YouTube channel. What you do is highlight this where it says it's after the equal, and it's 11 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Copy, go back to your page, and you're going to highlight this, and then you're going to paste your new one. So it should have changed. You're just pasting and changing these 11 digits. You don't have to change anything here. You can keep this here. And this advanced page, I don't use that. I don't even know what that is for, but I don't use that. Just use a general tab, and you go to OK, and it'll change your video. Then scroll down, and this is where your button is. You can change your button if you want by double clicking, hitting browse, and you can change the button. Let's see, I'm going to change it to, let's see, what can I use here? I'm going to use the let me in button. And it comes up here. You don't have to change the width or anything. You're going to hit OK, and it changes. Then if you have like a lot of space down here, there's nothing here I want to take out. It's perfectly spaced. So I'm going to hit Save Changes, move to the next step. Next, we are going to review. So let's review this. Let's view this. This is what they're going to see when this funnel or this advertisement comes to them. You're going to get this here. It says, I understand that the link below is a test link. So it's only a test link. So I'm going to click the green here where it says, I don't want to fill out the opt-in form. Just show me the web page. And this is what they're going to see at first. They're going to play the video. This comes up. They're going to type in their name or their email, their best email. We're going to hit skip survey because we're just testing it. So we're going to hit, but when they hit let me in, this is what they're going to see afterwards. They're going to get free presentation, discover the easiest way on the planet to build a huge monthly income, blah, 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 blah. And then they're going to play the video.
As a member of the Power Lead system, you'll have a huge...
And then they can scroll down, hit continue, or they can listen to what other people have said. And then they're going to hit continue here. Then after they hit the first video, they're going to come to this video and hit the comp, or hit this video to watch the comp plan.
The examples in this video are for
And then
illustration.
after they watch this video, they can get started, or they can watch other videos down here of people giving their testimonies. We also have a free report, download report that you could use here. These are testimonies down here from people giving their testimonies. So then you just hit get started here, and this is where you create an account. So let's go back to the web page. This is the one that I just created. So this is how you can test the link. Just hit test link here, and you can just go through it like we just looked at. Get to this one, hit continue, and you get to the last. So they're going to watch 3 videos. And this, again, explains the compensation plan. I am going to show you how to change this up here. It's a Favicon. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to edit here, and we're going to go to, I think it's the text here. Make sure. Yes, it's the text. So you're going to get to edit text. But first what you want to do is go to Google. And I already picked my picture, but I'm going to choose, like, you want it to be a small image. I'm going to type in what you want. Hit images here. And you're just going to choose a small picture. And I already chose my small picture, and I saved it in my computer. So once you save what you're going to do first, let me show you how to save it. You're going to use your clip. You're going to clip it. Once it opens, you're going to hit new, and then you're just going to, and then you're going to copy it. You're going to save it, save as, and save it on your computer. But because I've already saved mine, I'm going to get out of here and go back to our edit text, which we are on. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit source. And then you're going to go find the words F-A-V, F-A-V for Favicon. Okay, you're going to do Control F, and you're going to get this search bar up here or at the bottom. Again, you're going to type in F-A-V, and it should pop up here. And you're going to look for where it says link, H-R-E-F, image, and this right here where it's between the parentheses, you're going to get the / and all this up until it says PNG. That's what you're going to replace with the code from the image that you snipped from Google. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go to source to get out of this. You're going to hit source, and then you're going to hit this image here, and you're going to hit browse server. You're going to hit my library, and this is one of my old pictures from another Favicon that I made. And you're going to hit upload, and then you're going to hit choose file, and you're going to go to wherever you saved your image, which is right here. So I'm going to click and open, and then you're going to hit upload selected file, and it's going to show up here, and you hit OK, and there it is. So what you're going to do, you're going to double click, and it shows up right here, and this is the new URL. You're going to copy this, the whole thing, and then you're going to hit the X here and hit OK. Let me get out of this right here. Okay, and then you're going to go back to source. And you're going to do Control F again. I could have left that up there, but Control F, and you're going to type in FAV right here, and you're going to highlight after this parenthesis all this, all this, all the way where it says PNG. Then you're going to paste what you copied from the new picture that you got from Google. Paste, and it will change. You see where it says dollar bill, $100 bill. And you're going to hit Save Changes. And then we can see what happens. Hit View. And there it is, the $100 bill up here. And this up here is what it's going to say, massive residual income. That's what you named your website. So that's about it of how you make a funnel. Let's look at what the funnel looks like. Your dollar bill, you have the video that you put in here. You're going to hit let me in when somebody comes in after they put their email. Then you have this video. Then you're going to hit continue. Then they are going to watch another video before they make up their mind on whether they want to get started now. That is how you make your own funnel using the share codes. And to find the share codes, your list of share codes, you're going to go to websites and you're going to go to my share codes. And it'll have the list of all your share codes. And these are all mine right here so far. So that's where your share codes will show up. You can share these with your downline if they like your funnels. You can share these code with them. They can just put it in their back office and they will be able to use the funnel that I just made. So that's about it for the training of how to make a funnel. If you are interested in joining my team and if you are serious about having a home-based business and making an extra $1,000 per week, then you can click on one of the links below this video. You can either click on the free lead system link or the power lead system link. And I just want to tell you that the power lead system link, you can make more commissions with that because you can go to different levels. So it's up to you of what you want to do. But I thank you for watching this training video. Just watch it over and over so you can be able to just do this on your own. And I thank you for watching. This is Coach Gina, and I'll see you on the next one.